What's going on, guys? Here I have the brand new Fitbit Luxe, and I'm going to do an unboxing, complete setup, and quick review on this Fitbit Luxe. So this is Fitbit's newest fitness tracker. It is the Luxe. It's very stylish and it's kind of a small tracker. It fits on the wrist very easily. Let's go ahead, unbox it, and check it out. So right when we open up the box, we have the Fitbit Luxe. We have a quick start guide inside of the box. Here is the Luxe itself. We have the extra band on the right. So this is for a larger size wrist right here. And then on the left, we have the power adapter. This looks like a simple USB power adapter. So the Fitbit Luxe features a traditional watch-like strap with a buckle. It's got a heart rate sensor on the back, and this is how you would connect the charging adapter. So it's got a magnet, and it magnetizes to the charger. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in to set it up. So to turn on the Luxe, we'll plug in the charge connector and we'll press the button on the USB connector. You'll see the Luxe is now powering up and it is charging. Now it's going to tell us to download the FitBit Mobile App. I've gone ahead and downloaded this app from the App Store. To do so, you'd come into the App Store here and then you would search for Fitbit. And you would download this app here. So I already have the app downloaded. It's on my home screen. Once you have an account created and you're logged in here, you're going to tap on your profile and we're going to click set up a device. We'll choose Luxe. Click setup. Scroll down and hit accept. Now it's going to ask us to charge the Luxe. We've gone ahead and plugged in the charger. It's going to search for the Luxe device. Now we'll enter the 4-digit code on the Luxe. We'll hit pair on our phone. Allow. And we will update our Luxe. Go ahead and let the device sit here and update on its own. Alright guys, so after a few minutes you can see the Luxe has been updated. And now we have the time on the screen. Hit continue. And now it's going to ask us to try the Luxe on. So here's what it looks like on my wrist. Now to wake up the Luxe, we're going to double tap on the screen. And it'll show us the clock face. We can view our stats by swiping up. So you can see here we have our steps, miles, calories, our goals, heart rate. If we swipe down, we have the watch settings and modes. And if we swipe left to right, we have our notifications, our workouts, alarms, timers, and it simply scrolls through that menu. And that's it, guys, for the Luxe. Very simple, easy to set up the Luxe, and then it's a great fitness tracker that is very small and lightweight on your wrist. So I'm going to try this out for a few weeks and then I will give my full review. I'll make another video of that. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. to stay updated for that. If you guys are interested, I'll post a link below to the Fitbit Luxe. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys did find this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.